Garden of Life and Huel are two popular brands offering meal replacement products. But they have distinct differences in terms of ingredients, nutritional content, and target audience. To begin with, Garden of Life is a well-established brand that focuses on organic and non-GMO ingredients, catering to individuals seeking a more natural approach to nutrition. Their products often feature a blend of fruits, vegetables, and probiotics, providing a boost to digestive health. On the other hand, Huel is a newer brand that has gained popularity for its convenient and affordable meal replacement powders. Huel products are designed to provide a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, along with essential vitamins and minerals. One key difference between the two brands is their ingredient sourcing. Garden of Life prioritizes organic and non-GMO ingredients, whereas Huel uses a combination of natural and synthetic ingredients to keep costs low. In terms of nutritional content, both brands offer a range of products with varying levels of protein, fiber, and calories. However, Garden of Life tends to have more protein and fiber in their products, making them suitable for individuals with higher nutritional needs. Another significant difference is the target audience. Garden of Life is geared towards health-conscious individuals who prioritize natural ingredients and digestive health, whereas Huel is more focused on busy professionals and athletes seeking a convenient meal replacement solution. When choosing between Garden of Life and Huel, consider your individual needs and priorities. If you prefer natural ingredients and prioritize digestive health, Garden of Life may be the better choice. However, if you are looking for a convenient and affordable meal replacement option with a balanced nutritional profile, Huel could be the way to go. Ultimately, both brands offer high-quality products, but it is essential to evaluate your personal requirements and preferences before making a decision. By understanding the differences between Garden of Life and Huel, you can make an informed choice and find the best meal replacement product for your lifestyle.